Oh man, I really want to revive her, but I ain't gonna.
No, bro.
Oh lord, running!
Just run behind me, run behind me.
Running behind you! Shift! Shift! Nope! Shifting was not a thing I can do when I'm shifting my hand.
Yes, no, like, this diva is aggressive.
Oh! Mate froze me! They've got a Mei and a Genji and everything. No, you guys walk. A, I saw it coming, and also B. Oh! There's a tracer there if you don't mind. I feel like the Overwatch song is wrong, it might be better.
I agree, you should totally, like, tender for the new Overwatch soundtrack.
Overwatch 2, here I come, man. Sound by Lauren.
Have you heard that Overwatch 2 is going to have Battle Royale?
Yay.
I'm interested to see what it's like. Like, Battle Royale is a very good test. It makes you a very good player because you have to get everything right. If you get it wrong, you lose.
Exactly why I don't like them.
But the thing is, Battle Royale, you only need to make 7 right decisions, or 7 good plays, and you win.
That seems like a lot.
It is. And that's why you win 1 in 10 times.
You only need to do 7. It's only 7, but it's a lot.
7 perfectly, though.
Oh, they've got 2 Torbjorns. Ah! Ah! What happened? Where's the music? The widow's not our problem!
Oh, it is. Quickly flick it and flick them off.
Oh, I'm not gonna survive this, I'm gonna die. Ah! As I got to the health pack, I died.
Yeah, that was a great combo by them. Oh, jeez, you got flattened.
I was doing so well in keeping up with you, and then you died.
Yeah, I just got hammered down over and over and over again.